The Leigh TD330 through dovetail jig can be used upside down on a router table. Through dovetails are eye-pleasing, extremely strong, and can be used for a wide variety of projects. With the TD330, you can route boards up to 12 7/8 inches wide. You can join boards of up to 13/16 of an inch. Even boards of different thicknesses. To ensure you get consistent results and a perfect fit, the TD330 includes matching router bits and the Leigh E-bush guide bushing. Let's practice routing on the TD330 by making a simple box. Lay out 4 boards and mark them tails or pins. Install the dovetail bit in the router and the insert ring with the Leigh E-bush in the router table. Clamp a tailboard in place in the tails template and set the side stop against the edge of the board. Route the tailboard by guiding the jig against the guide bushing in and out of the template openings. Rotate the tailboard and clamp it against the side stop to route the other end of the board. Repeat the procedure for the second tailboard. Install the included straight bit in your router. Clamp a pinboard in the jig in the pins template and against the side stop. Route the pins, making sure that both sides of the guide finger openings touch the guide bushing. The TD330 guide fingers are angled to match the dovetail bit for perfectly aligned pins and tails. Rotate the pinboard to route the other end and repeat the procedure for the second pinboard. Test your joints for fit. If the fit is too loose, turn the Leigh E-bush to a higher number. If the fit is too tight, turn to a lower number. Make sure to record your settings in the user guide for the next time you route. Once you've found the correct Leigh E-bush setting, assemble your perfectly aligned box. For more information on the Leigh TD330 jig, visit leightools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty, the best in the business, and our customer care and technical support are second to none. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.